What's up, y'all? Today I'm showing you how I do a flip over quick weave. This is just the base that I start with. So the two braids in the front are my leave out, which I do minimal. Then I just do braids going straight to the back like this. I can't really braid like that, but I do what I can. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pin up my braids with a bobby pin, but I know a lot of people like to use a little crochet needle. I don't know how to use a crochet needle. I ain't even gonna hold you, so that's why I didn't do it. But if you can use a crochet needle, go ahead and do that. And then I'm just going to take this black wig cap here and put it on my head. I started behind my leave out, but you can also pull it down in front of your leave out if you want the cap to be tighter. I just decided to do it like this, but honestly I think it's better if you pull it down and then like cut the wig cap later. So this time I'm using this even spray all over my cap. I used to use Got to Be Free spray, but I saw somebody on TikTok use the even spray instead. So I'm just giving it a try, and I must say I think I do like this better than the free spray, but I'll let you know for sure maybe in another video. So anyways, I'm spraying this all the way around my perimeter, all the way on the base of the cap, and I'm like soaking the cap in this, and then I'm just gonna give it a quick blow dry, and then after that I am gonna go in with my protective shield. I'm using the clear protective shield, and I'm going to put that all over my head as well. Make sure you use this generously, just to make sure none of the glue or anything seeps through the cap. I also want to mention that I like to focus the majority of the even spray and this protective shield around the perimeter of my head. This just helps make sure that your cap doesn't slip and slide. I know a lot of people wonder like, oh, how does your cap not slip off? So just make sure your base is really good and you should be good to go. So the hair that I'm using today for my install is from Ywigs. I have in a 20, 22, and 24 inch water curly bundles from them. And this is just a close-up of what the wave pattern looks like. And then also this is just how much hair that you get on a track. Mind you, this is the 24 inch bundle, so you get a pretty good amount here. And then I'm just going to take my 30-second hair glue here, and I'm going to start with wrapping the hair in a U shape around my head and bringing it all the way to the front so that a little bit falls in my face. And this is because I want my hair to fall in my face. And then after I cut the weft here and after I've measured it, I'm just going to apply a little bit of my 30-second glue to the flat part of the track, and then I'm going to start with applying it, but I do give it a quick blow for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to flip the track over, and I'm going to start from the back where the cap is, sit it at the edge, and then once I feel like it's sitting on the cap, I'm just going to wrap it in a U shape all the way back to the front of my head, making sure that my hair that the hair falls in my face a little bit. I'm gonna do one more track like this, so it's okay that it doesn't fall all the way in my face right here, but I do wish that I would have brought it over just a little bit more, but just a lesson learned for the last time. And then so this is just what the back looks like. And so now I'm doing the same thing with the second track. I already cut and measured and put the glue on it, so I just flipped it over and I'm wrapping it all the way to the front as well. I wish I would have scooted the track over a little bit more, like towards one side of my eyebrows, so that it could like fall in my face a little more, like I said before, but it's fine. Like, it worked out in the end anyway. I will say that doing this method uses a lot of your hair, so make sure you have enough hair. I was a little scared that I wasn't going to have enough bundles if I kept doing the U shape going all the way around, so I only did that for the first 2 or 3 tracks, and then after that, like this one here, I'm just putting this like straight across in the back to fill in the gaps. So like I said, I just want to make sure I had enough hair, and this was honestly the best thing to do. But if you have like 4 or 5 bundles, you should be okay. So now I'm on to bundle number 2. This is the 22 inch bundle, and I'm just doing the same thing, cutting and gluing and putting the track, just going horizontally for now. up the middle of my head just to fill in the gaps. I will switch up and start doing the U shape again eventually, but for now I just want to make sure I can fill in the gaps in the back and have enough hair to complete the style. So this is bundle number 3, and this is what my hair is looking like. 2 bundles came this far up, and now I'm going to start putting my hair in a U shape, as you can see here, and this actually worked out perfectly. I'm so excited and so happy I had enough hair for this. So yeah, now I'm just going to cut the tracks, cut the wefts, put the glue on it, and now I'm going to be going in a U shape. And I'm going to keep doing this U shape all the way until the U gets smaller and smaller, like you see here. And then once the little horseshoe shape gets to be about like an inch wide, this is when I'm going to start laying the tracks going horizontally again, just to fill in the gaps. So I'm having like a bunch of 1-inch pieces go straight to the back. And then also you want to make sure you put these really close together so that you don't see any of the tracks when you flip your hair over. And then once you go and fill in the gap, it should meet the end of your cap like this, and then I'm just going to give it a quick little blow dry, and this is what it looks like. And this is most of the bundles. I only had like one little strip left that I wound up putting in the back somewhere. So the hard part is done with, and now it's time for the fun part, which is styling. I'm just going to take out my leave out, unbraid that, and I am going to flat iron it first before I curl it, just so it's, you know, a seamless look. I'm just taking my bio silk and my mini flat iron, and I'm just going to straighten my leave out. So before I move forward with blending my leave out, I'm just taking some water and some of my Afoji mousse, and I just wanted to define the curls a little bit because after pulling them apart out of the bundles, they got a little bit frizzy. So like I said, I'm just taking some of this mousse, putting it all over my hair. I'm doing it in sections, and then I'm just taking this brush and combing it all the way, not combing, but brushing through it. This helps define the curls, and I just want it to dry like this, so I do this, and then I also use the diffuser. I think I did that like a little bit off camera just to have that defined curly look.
Young Apollo with the wave.
So while I wait for the other curls to dry, now I'm going to go ahead and curl my actual leave out. I got this really tiny wand from Amazon. It actually came in like a kit of different sized barrels. This is the smallest one. I'm not exactly sure of the size, but I can link it down below for you. And then I'm just taking really small sections of my hair and just wrapping it around this wand. All the way, just a whole bunch of different times, just to make these cute little spirals like what you see here. And this is how I was able to get my hair to blend. So after the hair is dried, I'm going to take that same wand and curl a few of the pieces of the hair just so that the size of the curls matches the size of the curls in my natural hair. I really just like to do some pieces like around my face to like frame my face, and then also some pieces like at the bottom. I feel like it just helps make the look a little more fuller and fluffier, and also just helps everything like blend together, because again, like the curl pattern of my natural hair doesn't exactly match the curl pattern of the hair of the bundles, so I'm just using my wand to help them look more in sync. Now for my edges, I'm just taking my edge booster and my little edge brush, and I'm just swooping my edges. This is the part that makes the style honestly come together and look really cohesive. If you don't want to do baby hairs, you absolutely don't have to do it. You can just, like, I don't know, brush your edges back or whatever, but I like some baby hairs, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm just gonna swoop them on each side. So we're almost done and everything is really coming together. I'm really liking how this looks. It's looking really cute. Just one last thing that I want to do. Couple things is, one, I want to trim the ends just to make everything look fuller and give me like that blunt look at the bottom. I just think it makes your hair look a little bit better. And then I'm just taking this gloss like polisher spray from Afoji and spraying it all over the hair just to add some shine in the hair, and brings back some of the luster and just, yeah, make it look nice. But that's it. This whole style probably took me like 2 hours, and this came out so freaking cute. Like, I absolutely love this wave pattern. Check out this water curly hair. It is so pretty. It looks so natural, and it was so easy to do. I love these flip over quick weaves because it's very low maintenance. Like, you have very minimal leave out, and it's better for your hair, especially with curly hair. Like, this is top tier. Like, absolutely love it. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.